Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the minimal JWM session of AntiX. Let us start. So here also the resolution issue is there. We'll have to open the control center and manage it. You can see the conky has disappeared because it is not exactly disappeared. If you remember in the minimal ISWM session, there was no conky. Conky is removed in the minimal sessions. You can see here there won't be any conky is here. So by default it is removed, but if you want you can start up the conky. But I will not do it right now. Let us check out the memory usage because the conky will have effect on the memory usage. So here you can see in the app menu there is no change in the order of any application. All applications are same. On the panel also there is no change. It is a standard JWM panel. Now you can see you got app select, terminal, file manager, web browser, editor. So which file manager is there? So I think it is let me check. It is a ZZZ file manager here as standard. So this is same as what we see in the minimal ISWM session, and I think in minimal Fluxbox also this was the same file manager. Then web browser is same. It is Mozilla Firefox only. Yes, it is 128.9 ESR version. Then you got the personal menu help video, how to manage your menu, application menu. Then in applications in AntiX section, same order of all applications, everything is there as in other window manager sessions of AntiX. In accessories also same applications available in the same order. Games also 2 applications in same order. Graphics, everything is same. Then in internet also everything is same. Multimedia, all applications same in same order as compared to other window managers of AntiX. In Office you got LibreOffice Suite and QPDF Viewer. In preferences the order of applications and number of applications is same. In programming 3 applications it is same. In system also everything is same. You got the ZZZ file manager here, so that we have seen. Now let us open your desktop to check out the memory usage. So you can see this is also very light window manager, minimal JWM, just 182 MB of RAM usage. You can compare this with the minimal sessions of ISWM and Fluxbox, and you can report them to me in the videos comments. That is a homework for you. You have to compare the different window managers, report the memory usages to me, the number of tasks, the load average. So that will be a homework for you, and that will make you check out all the videos. So you will learn many things. So you can just report it in the video section below of this video. In the comment section, you just note down everything for each user can note down and the different values of system resources, and then I will also check and I will see whether you are reporting right or wrong. So that will be a good homework for you. You can see just 38 tasks are running, just 6 threads, very less number of threads. Load average is, you can see, even less, 0.04%. So that's very you can say commendable to run such a light system. And you can see CPU usage is 0. Now let us open the task manager. So here task manager also is reporting similar number, though same number, 193 MB, 193 MB. CPU usage is 0. So that's very commendable. Now what happens is, if I start the conky, the conky started. Now let us check out the desktop. No, there is no much effect of conky, just even 3 MB, 2 MB less than what we seen earlier. And then we will again open the task. So here it's just 194 MB. So now it is equal to what we have seen earlier. So conky doesn't have much effect and you can safely use conky, but developers have switched off the conky by default. Now anything else is there in universal Excel access. You got the Magnus magnifier and the onboard keyboard layout and the keyboard onboard keyboard. Then app killer desktops. You can check out the desktops sessions available here. Rocks panel on off, Conky on off. Then the themes, these are the same themes that are available in other JWM sessions also, and everything rest is same. Nothing extraordinary is there. In the wallpapers, we will try to apply one wallpaper. Looks very nice. So everything neat and clean, and this is recommended for the older systems, 8 years or more older systems. They will work very nicely on old systems, and you need not throw them in the garbage. You can use them because all the things thrown in garbage or in the dump yard, it doesn't get recycled, and you can help conserve Mother Earth. So see you in the next video with the only remaining window manager. That is little odd to pronounce for me. I am not conversant with German. I can understand few words, but the spellings of German words, it is very difficult. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.